Today I'm going to test the difference between the pink TirTir and the silver TirTir. We will do half a face of each and we will see how they are comparing. So the pink one from TirTir is it's a mask fit all cover cushion. It's in shade 21N Ivory, and TirTir is Korean. And this is how it looks on the inside. So this is the first part with the mirror and the sponge. And then if you open up, you will have the cushion foundation down here, and you use a sponge on it and you take out the excess on this side. It's the same with this one. This is a mask fit Aura cushion 21N Ivory. So let's try them on. The pink on my right side and the silver on my left side. So that will be opposite for you, I guess. But I will just lay them down here. And we will start with the silver one on this side. I have prepped my skin with POV Beauty as usual, and also the primer Glaze It. Okay, so let's get started. You just put it on like this. You push it into the sponge, then you tap off the excess. And this is an important step because otherwise it's going to be way too much on the sponge. Then you just start pushing it on, actually. It's kind of easy to decide how much to apply because you can easily see it and you can just adjust. There's still a lot of product in here. So don't go into the foundation all the time. Use what is left here also. That looks pretty good. Leave your comments down below. For the other side, we will do the pink one, but it's the same idea, you know. This one took a lot, so we just had to press off the excess. And with this one, it is really true that less is more. So try to keep it light. Don't forget your ears. And this is definitely buildable. Take more and it will cover more. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? I don't think I need to go over with the sponge or brush. So that's it with the foundation. And today I was thinking about using the Lancome. It's a Sea Skin Transforming Bronzer in shade 02 Light. I think I'll start with this one. This is 104 from BK Beauty. So as you can see, this is really light, but I'm also using a big brush. And then we can do a smaller brush to do the side of the nose. I'm actually using the A506, like the back side of it. And I would also like to go in with the bronzer, actually. Just a little bit to get the definition of the crease and everything. Then for the blush, we have this one. So this is the 115 from BK Beauty. This is my favorite one to add blushes. Let's see how this works. I don't know. So as you can see, it's pink. It's actually quite nice. And I kind of like that it's not giving too much color. So that's how it looks. And I'm so sorry, you guys. I forgot to put on my microphone. Let's continue. We need a little bit of liquid highlighter. Let's do green all over and the blue in the outer corner. And I don't know how fast it will dry, so we will just have to go in and use the brush and blend it out. And also a little bit in the crease and diffuse it up a little bit. We need it a little bit above the crease also. Ooh, wow, look at that. So the other side. Ooh, looks more like a purple. So let's try to go in with one of them. With this one, it's called 1983. I'm just going to apply it with my finger, and it's more like a gold, yeah, almost completely gold color. And I'm just going to tap a little bit in the middle. I like that. That is so nice. Let me just go and clean it up. We will do the mascara. Oh, let's do this one. Haven't used that in a minute. Telescopic Extra Black from L'Oreal. This is how the wand looks like. And I'm still so impressed by how long my lashes has become. Let's try to build it up a little bit more. I like this wand and this formula. It's really good. That will usually just smudge on me, but we'll see. Maybe we will be lucky this time. Oh, no. Usually you should wait till it has dried up, but this was so much. I can't believe it. So this is Honey from Ravie Beauty. Okay, let's go. Then let's try to go in with this one. So, how did we do? Let me have a look from a little bit of distance. Do you know what? I think it turned out pretty good. What do you think? I'm so excited! This is so much fun. ColourPop in collaboration with the Stranger Things from Netflix. And this is the eyeshadow palette. It smells like waffles and maple syrup. And it actually tastes like that as well. I wanted to go to IHOP. Anyway, let's come back to take a look in around, yeah, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 hours. We will see how it holds up. See you then. Hi, I'm back. It's been, oh, wow. It's been 9, almost 10 hours. And I must say they are, I don't know what happened here. I have not done anything to the makeup. It's a little bit glitter shimmery down here. And do you know what? I did not put on any concealer today. Isn't that amazing? I think during the day it has been really nice. And that makes also this area so much nicer, you know. Nothing will go into my lines. And I think that's really nice. It's still holding on for dear life. It's looking quite nice actually. Can you see it? On this side. I feel like they are quite similar, but so on this side, that's where I had this TirTir foundation. It looks to me, this side looks really like skin, in my opinion. This looks more like makeup, maybe. But otherwise, I think maybe this side looks better. It has not gone into all my lines, like this one. I have some really big lines right here, but it's not too bad. But you know, I'm smiling all day, so it's like, so it's impossible to keep away. I think this side, the silver one, looks more like skin. Maybe, oh, now I know. This one is more matte, isn't it? And this looks more dewy. So I'm back with 2 more cushion foundations, and it's a different day. On my right side, we are using the red TirTir, the original one. So this is the Mask Fit red cushion in shade 17N. On the other side, we are using the Mask Fit AI filter cushion also in 17N to be able to compare them. Rest of the makeup you can also find below in the description box. And so then I think we are ready to do a conclusion when it comes to the cushions, and I must say I'm really impressed with TirTir when it comes to their foundations. So if we are doing an example from today, the AI foundation, it has full coverage, but it will also help you blur out your pores and also fine lines, I found out. So I think it did a good job actually. It's more, they call it semi-matte, and we can see that the red one looks more dewy on this side. Do you agree? And this is the AI side. But again, not much of a difference, I must say. I'm again really impressed with all the TirTir foundations. And I also tested out the new one, or the newest. Maybe it's not even the newest anymore because we have some new cushion foundation also. But the liquid red foundation, when we are just talking about what I'm impressed about, is also the Hydra setting powder from RMS Beauty. This is in light, and this is the one. I used it under my eyes today, and I'm so impressed with that also. I think it's blurring out really nice and gives light coverage. My under eyes today is not even creasing. Can you see that? And I have always liked TirTir. It's one of my favorite also when it comes to skincare. So we will talk more about TirTir in the coming videos. I don't think it's going to be that easy to make a conclusion because I think all of them are really good. So let's just go through them and we'll see what we come up with. Let's start it with the original. So that is the red one. This is also what I have on this side today. So I'll keep it on this side so you can see it. So this is said to give a satin finish, giving full coverage. It is also good for hydration and glow and have a really good durability. That is what they say about the red, and I have to agree. It's today, I think the red one looks really good. I would say the red one for sure is definitely nice foundation for mature skin as well. So let's go on to the pink cushion foundation. Have you tried any of them? Please let me know in the comments below so I can know which one you have any experience with. This is the AI one. This is said to give you a semi-matte finish. It gives you full coverage. It will give roughly the same hydration as the red one. But it will not give as much glow as the red one. Durability also almost the same as the red one. But what it's said about this one is that it's supposed to help cover up large pores and things. When you're using it, you can use this cushion to kind of swipe over the pores that you want to get more blurred out, and then tap on it. And I tried that and it really is working. It was magic. All the pores are gone and wrinkles and everything. Almost. It's not a miracle, but it's really good. I would say all of the TirTir foundations are full coverage except for the pink, no, the silver one. So I would say medium to full. The silver one is the one giving the most hydration to your skin, the most glow to your skin, but it doesn't have as good durability as the rest of them. And when we go for the pink, it's said to give a matte finish. It gives full coverage, gives some hydration, but it's more on the matte side, so it doesn't give as much hydration as the rest. This does not give much glow, but it has excellent durability. So to do a really fast summary of it all, we can say that the red cushion is giving satin finish. The pink one gives a matte finish. The silver one gives a dewy finish. And the AI gives a semi-matte finish. I think all of them is good for mature skin. I must say I'm really I'm really impressed with the red one on this side. It gives such a beautiful finish, and it's supposed to give a satin finish. So for the red fluid foundation, it is said to give a luminous full coverage. It has also a long wear formula, gives a second skin feel, powered by TirTir skincare. And also today I used the TirTir setting spray. So now I have two favorites when it comes to setting sprays, and that is of course this one is really good, and the one from Charlotte Tilbury. All TirTir foundations get approved from me because I don't see that one is better than the other, because they have different properties, and in their way, the way they are supposed to work, they are working. Do we want a dewy finish? Do we want a satin, matte? What do we want? Look at this red one now. It's so beautiful. I can't even believe it. I can't believe I'm not using it more. So if you want to try them out, I have some links down below. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.